big news coming out the crypto.com Chronos Crowcoin project, man. We're seeing Crowcoin become, slowly become that overall go-to financial platform. But not only that, they're building out the decentralized side of things with the Chronos blockchain as well. And today, man, we're gonna go into depth about what's new with crypto.com and Chronos, what they have been building, and also some very bullish news for the supply of the Crowcoin. But before we get too deep into it, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, turn on those notifications right now for all updates on Chronos and check out that crypto.com playlist. Also, my Discord is in the description and my crypto.com referral link is in the description as well. So let's get straight into it, man. Let's talk about it because a lot of people still capitulating at this time in the market. A lot of people don't really realize what's going on as far as the shift that's about to occur in our financial system. And when it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies, people are just looking for price action, but not realizing how, big this new asset class could possibly be and how investing long term is probably really the easiest way to win in the crypto space. So let's get into it, man. Let's talk about price and where we at today. So, man, currently we are looking at Crow, and Crow is at 10 cents. Now, I like to say zoom out because when you zoom out, you see the bigger picture, man. And I already zoomed it out for y'all. So, back in 2019, man, we were once upon a time at 1 cent for Crow. Now we are at 2 cents or 10 cents rather. We are up 433%. So that just goes to show investing over long periods of time. And 6 years really not that long. We know how fast 6 years pass by. But just investing over long periods of time will cause you to win without even realizing it, man. Just buying on the dips is your best friend. The dips are your friend, man, because if we look out, zoom, it kind of bring it in a little tighter, man. Look, we're not looking at the bigger picture, but we're looking at a bigger picture. So we see right now in the past year, we are down only 50% in the past year. I know you're saying only 50% because, Tro, with cryptos, we go down 50 to 70%. You know what I'm saying? So we are only down in the past year 50%. We saw how Crow absolutely ripped after that big news with Trump media becoming, the largest holder of Crow. A lot of people didn't like it. Me personally, I'm really indifferent as long as it's kind of they have a lockup period, which I believe they do. So I don't think they can just dump all of it on us at once. And look at what a chart is. We already been dumped on anyway. You know what I'm saying? How further can we go down? And let me not say that because we can go down further. But I don't think that, we go below a 9 cent Crow. And if we do, like I said, there's just better buying opportunities because Crow is here to stay. Right now, we are ranked 26 out of all the cryptocurrencies. Market cap is at $3.93 billion. That's down 2%. Now the volume is coming in at $16.57 million. That's up less than 1%, not even 0.1%, but volume is down at the moment. The community sentiment is still 84% bullish, 16% bearish. So people are still bullish on Crow. And like I said, just the entire overall market is down, guys. If we look, at the entire crypto market, we can see we are down 1%, coming in at 3.11 trillion. And then the fear and greed index is 25 out of 100 right now. So people are still fearful. And the altcoin season is 21 out of 100. So people are not looking at altcoins at this time, but that's when the smart money is buying because we get in at cheaper prices. Now let's get to some of the good stuff, man. Crypto.com exchange is now integrated with CD Hub or CD Lab. So the platform is powering structured crypto trading competitions. Users can now connect their exchange accounts to join verified trading and holding competitions with real-time leaderboards, transparent performance tracking, and reward-built programs on actual exchange activity. So this is pretty dope. Having the trading competitions on Crypto.com exchange, getting more people actively involved on the exchange. Me personally, I really don't like to trade leverage or just trade prices of things. I just like to buy spot. But for the people who are interested in the exchange or in leverage trading and things like that, you can get in, win some of these competitions, participate in some of these competitions, and see how far it takes you, man. And Crypto.com just continues to expand upon what they already have built. Now, something else, another Crypto.com exchange news. They are now integrated with Doblox AI. So, the AI powered trading assistant built for pro level insights and automation. You can now trade through Doblox with institutional grade liquidity and fast API execution, access to 300 plus markets, AI insights, and automation in one flow. To celebrate, eligible users can earn VIP memberships, Crow lockup bonuses, and Doblox premium access. So, just another partnership for the crypto.com exchange, and just making it easier, giving the traders all the tools they need in order to be successful. And crypto.com wants the traders to be successful. Don't get me wrong, they want to make their money at the same time, but they are building so many things directly within the crypto.com exchange in order to and for traders to succeed long term in a market. Now, something else, man, Willfront Corporation is now open for pre-IPO orders. Early bird access is available for a limited time ahead of Wilf's expected IPO on December 12th. So you can get and be a part of this pre-IPO order. And Crypto.com continues to have its doors open for the small investors. So at first, before a lot of people couldn't invest in IPOs. You had to be a accredited investor in order to invest in pre-IPOs. Now, we know Robinhood changed the game. They did allow people to get in pre-IPO orders, and now Crypto.com is the same way. And that's why I'm saying Crypto.com is really expanding its footprint. And I think Crypto.com is going to be up there with the likes of some of the bigger crypto exchanges, especially when a tokenization of assets happen. Just because with crypto.com, they offer stocks and cryptos, and we know eventually stocks will be tokenized. And I think crypto.com is front running this, and that's why they put stocks on their platform, because in essence, everything will eventually be on a blockchain to be able to verify ownership. Now, last piece of news, man, that I caught that was bullish. Shout out to Kane on Chronos. We can see for the first time ever, an official document confirms that Crow has a fixed max supply of 100 billion explicitly designed to be deflationary. So this is from the Trump Media Group, they Crow strategy, and we can see the Chronos network, Chronos POS chain, the layer 0 chain of the network that guarantees the security and interoperability of the Chronos ecosystem. Then we got the Chronos EVM, the layer 1 chain of the network running parallel to Chronos POS chain, powering dApps and DeFi activity within the Chronos ecosystem. And then we got the Chronos, the native token of the Chronos network. So we got a fixed supply, maximum of 100 billion tokens, a design intended to be deflationary, So it's potentially, Chronos, burning Crow, getting more out of circulation. That's something huge. So we can see the core utilities, transaction fees, paying for transactions, network staking. It can be staked, and governance. Crow holders can vote on critical protocol upgrades and network decisions, giving them a direct say so in the ecosystem's future. So, man, deflationary 100 billion, man. I'm telling you, as more people come to the Chronos blockchain, as more people come to the Chronos or Crypto.com exchange and the Crypto.com app, is only going to bring more utility, more activity, and it's going to help Crow develop in the long term, man. So it's only a matter of time with everything that's in place before altcoins take off, and Crow is one of those altcoins you got to pay attention to. So Crypto Tro, that's my video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, turn on those notifications. Also, link to the Crypto.com referral is in the description, and my Coinbase and Discord link is there as well. So click those, start making money with us. And we're going to do it just like that. Crypto Tro, I'm out of here.